see him this Sunday at the Avenue. But right now, Seth Austin Enos is with us right here on our Studio 10 stage.
Yes, and we're so excited. And you are going to be performing your original song, One Car Drive-In. Real quick, what is the inspiration behind the song?
Yeah, this is the first song I ever wrote and recorded, and it's just an honest breakup song.
Oh!
It's acknowledging all the good parts of a relationship, and not just bashing her.
Okay, well, we like that.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So take it away.
All
That's right.
If I had a time machine, I do not think there's a single thing I'd change. Sure, it's full of good and bad, but really, it's all just the same. Friend became much more last year, island all her hopes, her dreams, her fears. All the things around my place, now they're all but disappeared. If I could turn back time, only thing I'd ask is take me back to that one car drive-in. Everything was new to me then. Fireworks and sparks every single night. Take me back to Christmas at your parents'. I don't know how I ever could have ruined something that just felt so right. Just felt so right. Look at all the memories we photograph, every letter, every dream. It haunts me just to think all the things that we will never be. Remember all our starry nights on the rooftops of my car in the park. You and me alone together were my wish for every shooting star. If I could turn back time, only thing I'd ask is take me back to that one car drive-in. Everything's new to me then. Fireworks and sparks every single night. Take me back to Christmas at your parents'. I don't know how I ever could have ruined something that just felt so right. Just felt so right. Take me back to that one car driving. Everything's new to me then. Fireworks and sparks every single night. Take me back to Christmas at your parents'. I don't know how I ever could have ruined something that just felt so right. Just felt so right.
Oh my goodness, that was incredible.
Wow,
Thank you so
amazing.
much.
That felt so right.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you so much for joining us here. And of course, you can see Seth this Sunday at the Avenue Cafe starting at 7:30. We've got the information listed right here below.
Yes, and also, of course, be on the lookout for his EP in March where you can hear that song and a few more. But thank you, and keep up the amazing work.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. That is wonderful.
Yes. All right, well, stay where you guys